The biggest stars in the world are lined up, and all eyes are on the 2026 World Cup trophy.
All right, everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm bringing you another exciting football niche along with an amazing AI platform called GeeLark. Every football video you're seeing on the screen was created using GeeLark with just a few clicks. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use GeeLark powerful features, including automation, synchronization, AI image generation, AI video generation, and even how to manage cloud phones. It's an all-in-one platform designed to help content creators work faster and more efficiently. Before we get started, let me show you a successful YouTube channel in this football niche. As you can see, this channel has nearly 4 million subscribers, and many of its videos have reached tens of millions of views. Some videos have gained 74 million, 80 million, 50 million, and 49 million views, proving that this football niche has incredible viral potential. The videos feature famous football stars like Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, and many other players in highly engaging AI-generated scenes. To make things easier for you, I've already prepared a complete master prompt, which you'll find in the description below this video. It includes scene-by-scene prompts, image prompts, video prompts, voiceover prompts, and everything you need to recreate this workflow. You can use it as it is, or customize it with ChatGPT. Now let's move to today's main platform, GeeLark first. Open the GeeLark website using the link in the video description. Download the Windows version, install it, and sign in with your Gmail account. After logging in, you'll see 3 main sections: Primary, Discover, and Team. In the Primary section, you'll find Cloud Phones, where you can manage multiple cloud devices. You'll also find the powerful AGC model, which lets you generate AI images, create image-to-video animations, produce text-to-video content, and much more. The built-in AI assistant also allows you to type up to 2,000 characters and get instant help, generate ideas, or ask questions directly within GeeLark. The Discover section lets you connect platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook to track analytics and monitor your content's performance. Finally, the Team section includes features such as automation, synchronizer, marketplace, applications, billing, and team management, making it easy to manage multiple accounts and streamline your workflow. Now let's start by testing GeeLark's AI image generation feature. I'll paste my image prompt, select the GPT Image 3.0 Pro model, choose the aspect ratio, and click Submit. The first image is now generating. To save time, I'll submit several prompts at once and then show you all the final results. And here they are. Take a look at these images. The quality is outstanding, with excellent detail, vibrant colors, and highly professional results. This shows just how powerful GeeLark AI image generation is. Next, let's try image-to-video generation. I'll upload one of the generated images, paste my animation prompt, select the Seed Dance 2.0 model, choose the aspect ratio, enable sound generation, and click Submit. The first video is now processing. After a short wait, here's the final result. The animation is smooth, realistic, and incredibly engaging. Now I'll repeat the same process with another image, and after a few moments, the second video is ready. Once again, the output is excellent. Whether you're generating AI images or transforming them into videos, GeeLark delivers high-quality results with ease. Now let's move over to the Profile section, where I'll show you how to set up and manage cloud phones inside GeeLark. All right, everyone, before creating a cloud phone, we first need to configure a proxy. To do that, I've already opened a proxy provider's website. You can use any trusted proxy provider of your choice. I'll simply copy my proxy credentials, paste them into the Proxy section inside GeeLark, and then click Check Proxy. As you can see, the proxy has been verified successfully. Once everything looks good, I'll click OK to save it. Now I'll move to the Profile section and click New Profile. Here you'll find both profile settings and proxy settings. I'll paste the same proxy again, click Check Proxy, and once it's verified, I'll continue to the profile settings. I'll give my profile a name, select Android 15 as the device version, click OK, and finally click Create. And just like that, my first profile is ready. Now I'll simply click the Start button. As you can see, my first cloud phone is now running. Take a look at this. It's a fully functional Android cloud device. You can install applications, browse the internet, manage your social media accounts, upload content, run marketing campaigns, use TikTok, and perform almost everything you would normally do on a physical smartphone. It also includes useful management tools such as timers and other built-in features. Now let me show you another useful feature. I'll click the three-dot menu and choose Clone. A duplicate profile has been created instantly. When I start this cloned profile, another cloud phone launches immediately. This means you can run multiple cloud phones at the same time and manage several accounts simultaneously, making GeeLark's Cloud Phone feature extremely powerful for automation and large-scale account management. Besides cloud phones, GeeLark also includes a built-in AI assistant. In the What Can I Do For You Today section, you can ask questions, generate ideas, or get instant assistance directly inside the platform. Next, let's look at the Analytics section. Simply connect your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or other supported social media accounts, add your account information, and GeeLark will provide detailed analytics and performance insights to help you track your growth. Moving on to the Applications section, you'll find a wide variety of apps that you can install directly within the platform. Whether you need productivity tools, gaming applications, or other utilities, there are plenty of options available. Now let's talk about one of GeeLark's most powerful features, automation. Inside the marketplace, you'll find ready-to-use automation workflows for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and many others. For example, if I select YouTube, you'll see options for creating automated tasks, uploading content, selecting creatives, managing media assets, and organizing your publishing workflow. The marketplace provides complete automation templates that help simplify content creation and social media management. Another excellent feature is the Synchronizer. Using the Synchronizer, you can control multiple cloud phones simultaneously. Instead of managing each device individually, you can perform actions across multiple cloud phones at the same time, saving both time and effort. Finally, let's talk about the pricing. GeeLark currently offers discounts on all of its long-term plans. The 90-day plan comes with a 15% discount. The 180-day plan offers 25% off, and the 360-day plan provides the biggest savings with a 35% discount. If you're planning to create AI content, manage cloud phones, automate your workflow, generate AI images and videos, or use powerful social media management tools, GeeLark is definitely worth checking out. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future tutorials. Thanks for watching.